Hello, and thanks for tuning in to this virtual open house tour of 4655 Polaris Street, Jacksonville, Florida. My name is Rachel Callahan. I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Network Realty, and I'm so excited to show you around this charming craftsman-style bungalow in the heart of Murray Hill. This Murray Hill bungalow is listed at $190,000 and is just minutes away from breweries, local restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. This updated home was built in 1928 and radiates charm even from the street view. The contrasting colors from the red brick and the fresh, cool-toned exterior paint offers interest and character, adding to the great curb appeal of the home. It has an adorable front porch decorated with a stunning mosaic tiled floor, perfect for enjoying a morning cup of coffee, reading a book, or watching the sky change colors during sunset at the end of the day. The living space of this home is large and open, brightened by the several windows along the two exterior walls, and consists of a living area and dining space. There are many touches of character in this home. For example, in the living room, there is a gorgeous decorative fireplace surrounded by painted brick. The hardwood floors also add plenty of character to the wide open space with its intricate details. Next up, we have the kitchen. It boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops with a bullnose edge, a decorative white tile backsplash, and white cabinetry for plenty of storage. This home has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. This home has a laundry room, which is accessible from the kitchen. Also off the laundry room is the access to the backyard. This backyard has a 1-car garage, is fully fenced, and is great for grilling out with guests. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of 4655 Polaris Street. I hope you enjoyed all the charm and character this house has to offer. Again, I'm Rachel Callahan with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Network Realty. Have a great day.